Alright, there it is. It's all set up and done. All I got left to do tomorrow is bolt the brackets to the actual fender. That's where it all sits. You got PVC rand. It's thin wall, it's not sketchy 40, so nothing crazy. My cutout, got a nice gasket made. I'll jump inside. Look how quiet it is, dude. I cannot wait to drive this thing now and have my brain fucking falling out of my ears. Here we're climbing up inside. You can see it doesn't really affect my vision or anything. It sits there pretty well. I don't know. I like it. Quiet like a stock Cummins diesel pickup or something. So that's it.